this is the pulsed magnetic therapy machine. This is an amazing, amazing healing and restorative therapy that can be used for so many different people and conditions. So kind of the basis of it is it restores our electromagnetic fields that we have inside our body. So all of our 70 trillion different cells communicate via an electromagnetic field. The Earth has its own electromagnetic field, but many people have lost that. So the one condition we see this is amazing for is chronic pain. So a lot of times people get stuck in this chronic pain pattern, and instead of taking anti-inflammatories or even getting surgery, this is an amazing alternative. So what it does, it actually can change that pain signal going up to the nerves, into the spinal cord, back into the brain. Either slow that down or shut it off. It's really amazing. Another thing too, when people are stuck in chronic pain, their immune system is activated usually. It's trying to work too hard. So what regulates that are called T regulatory cells. And we know through studies that pulse magnetic therapy can act on those T regulatory cells and actually bring them back into balance, which is really, really amazing. So not only are we changing that pain signal, what we're doing is we're helping to heal and restore and repair the area, the damaged area, better than it was before. So what PEMF does is bring more circulation to the area, bring all the good white blood cells, the macrophages, everything that's going to heal and repair the area to that damaged area, to the joint, the tendon, whatever it may be. We know that we release stem cells so we can heal and repair, and then what happens is we stimulate lymphatic drainage away from it, so clean up the debris and get rid of it. So this is an amazing therapy. I hope everyone gets a chance to check it out because it can do so much good for so many people.